Hey everybody, it's Jeff, and we're going to take a quick look at what we have in this new release. 0.5 for Treehouse, our front end for building information systems. This is a pretty significant release in some pretty useful major functionality here. Tagging, templates, as well as the table view. And finally, we have cut, copy, and paste for nodes. So let's take a look really quick. In reverse order, if you are on a node and you don't have text selected, you can Command X or Control X to cut and then go somewhere else, and paste with Command V or Control V. Similarly, you can Command C and Command V to paste, which you can do multiple times. And so now you can copy, cut, and paste nodes, which is really great for moving stuff around and making easy duplications. So now the table view, which is particularly useful working with the recently added structured data. So if you have a set of nodes that has structured data here, you can go to the parent node and use the command picker to say view as table, and you get this nice table view. This is just the beginning of the table view. You can manipulate this data if you want, but it is more or less read-only in terms of structure. Soon we'll be able to add new fields this way and generally make it a little bit easier to work with structured data. You can always go back and say view as list if you want to go back. And this is the beginning of a general view system, so you can imagine other views coming down the road, as well as you being able to create custom views. So now one of the main features is being able to tag nodes. So for example, we could, let's see, what's a good TV show? Seinfeld. And basically you would just do the hashtag and either create or select an existing tag, and now it's tagged. So now from search, you can search for tagged nodes. Unfortunately, this doesn't work with in combination with live search nodes yet, but we're working on that. So this is a great way to categorize nodes. You can remove nodes by just hitting delete on them. And of course, things can have multiple nodes. And templates, which is tied to the idea of tags, is you can create a template pretty much anywhere and say make template, and it'll get this template icon. And you can basically pre-populate child nodes or fields with values or without values. And then from then on, whenever you tag something, a book, based on the name of that template, it will get its child contents duplicated so that you don't have to make the same fields over and over for a set of nodes. Unfortunately, these do not update if you were to add a new field or a child node or anything like that. That'll come down the road. But already this makes it a lot easier to work with and set up structured data, as well as organize it in a way that makes sense. So that's it. You might notice we're using TreeStar for this demo, which is our sort of like hosted version of Treehouse, which if you go to treestar.io, you can sign up for the waitlist. Otherwise, it is open source. You can set up your own. And you can check out all of this functionality on the website with the demo hosted there. So that's it. Thanks.